Why do other people's prints look injection molded, but yours still scream 3D printed? In this video, I'll show you 5 practical ways to make your prints look smoother. With a 0.4mm nozzle, the default layer height is usually 0.2mm. Try reducing it to 0.16mm or even 0.12mm for much finer surface detail. Models with curved tops or domes often show visible layer lines near the surface. Enable adaptive variable layer height in your slicer, then turn on smooth mode. This automatically reduces layer height in curved areas and makes the top surface much smoother. Filament type and color make a bigger difference than most people think. Matte filaments hide layer lines better than glossy ones. For the best surface, use matte, marble, or textured filaments. Wet filament creates bubbles, making layer lines rough. Fully drying your filament before printing can dramatically improve surface quality. When printing PLA, poor cooling causes layers to sag. Increase max fan cooling threshold and enable slow printing down for better layer cooling for smoother prints. Try these tips, and your next print will look way more professional.